Hello everyone, this is Rohan Bose, Director of Swapnika EXIM. We proudly announce that Inflector Thermal Solar Heat Barrier has finally arrived in India, and we are the sole distributor for India, Nepal, Bhutan and Sri Lanka. Today I am going to show you all the demonstration of Inflector, a technology developed and designed by NASA, which will help you learn more about the product. The initially patented technology by NASA was developed in the 1960s for the spacesuits worn by the astronauts, which later got commercialized for buildings and homes. According to the world research, 75% of the heat enters the premises through windows. So let's start with the demonstration, which will give you an insight into the working of the product. This is an infrared solar heat lamp, which is the source of heat, and this is the BTU meter, which will read us how much heat is passing through the lamp. Now, as we know, in buildings or homes we use mostly three types of glasses for windows. One is the single pane, one is the double pane DGU, and one is the low emissivity. Each glass has properties of blocking some amount of heat. Let's see how much these block. To see how much heat these glasses block, we will set this meter to 100%. Now it shows that heat passing through this lamp is in 100%. Now when we put the single pane glass in front of the lamp, it shows us in the meter that it blocks 18% of heat, which means 82% of heat is still passing through it. When we put the double pane DGU glass, it shows 65-66% of heat is still passing through it, which means a DGU glass blocks 34% of 35% of heat. With the low emissivity glass, it shows in the meter that 62% of heat is still passing through it, which means a low emissivity glass is capable of blocking only 38% of heat. Now when we put all the 5 panes of glasses together to see how much they block, it shows that 70% of heat is blocked by 5 panes of glasses if combined together. Now this is Inflector. When we put this in front of the lamp, it shows us in the meter that it is blocking 71% of heat alone. But it has to be installed with a window or a glass inside a building or home. So let's see how effective it is with the single pane glass. When we put Inflector in front of it, it shows only 24% of heat is passing now. With the double pane DGU glass, it shows only 22% is passing now. With the low emissivity glass, only 20%. It is a round-the-year product, which means it is reversible for summer and winter both. For summers, the reflective side has to face outside, which will keep the indoor temperature cool and block the heat back into the atmosphere. In winters, we will reverse it. It will absorb and retain the heat inside, thus reducing your heating costs in winter. It blocks damaging UV rays up to 92%, prevents air infiltration up to 71%, rejects solar heat by 82% and solar glare up to 84%. It reduces carbon footprint up to 30% by saving on electricity bills up to 40-50% guaranteed. Inflector comes with a 7 years warranty and a lifespan of 25 years. Swapnika EXIM is a proud member of the Indian Green Building Council and have taken pledge in the Net Zero movement to help India become the foremost countries in transforming to Net Zero by 2050. Thank you for watching the video. Let's make the future of our country and the planet greener and safer.